Hi, in this video we are going to discussing about annotation in Java. Annotation in Java. Annotations are used to provide supplement information about a program. Annotations start with the @ symbol. Annotation does not change action of a compiler program. Annotation help to associate metadata or information to the program elements, that is, instance variables, constructor, method, classes, etc. Annotations are not pure comments as they can change the way to program is treated by the compiler. Java annotation is a tag that represents the metadata that is attached with the class, interfaces, methods, or fields indicating some additional information which can be used by Java compiler and JVM. Java defines 7 built-in annotations, 4 imported from the Java.language packages, and those are rentation, documented, targeted, and inherited. There are 3 included Java.language packages inbuilt. So those are deprecated, override, and suppress warnings. Built-in Java annotation used in Java code. There are 3 types. Already we are told in a previous slide: override, suppress warning, deprecated. And first one is a override. Override annotation assures that the subclass method is overriding the parent class method. If it is not so, compile time error occurs. For example, here showing one of the example in program. One is a superclass is there, another one is a subclass. Superclass name is base and subclass name is a derived. And superclass in superclass where I am writing one of the method, that is a display, and another one is a main method, and creating here the objects. And in a subclass the override annotations are used, and this superclass method can here also write the display method, and here writing one of the, and it display the output of the subclass is not a superclass, because the annotation is said that it is a compulsory override. Suppress warning. At suppress warning, annotation is used to suppress the warning issued by the compiler. Here showing one of the example. In this example, in one program, in one class I am writing the deprecated annotation, and in another one class write the, that is suppress warning annotation, and it is generated for the compiler checked or deprecation messages. Then output is displayed, the deprecated test displayed. Add deprecated annotation makes this method is deprecated, so compiler prints warning. It informs user that it may be removed in the future version, so it is better not to use such methods. For example, here showing one of the program. In this program I am writing using the add deprecated annotation, so this method is not used in the future version. And 4 imported annotations are there, and it is included in a java.language.annotation, and those are rentation, documented, target, and inherited. First one is documented. Documented annotation, it is a marker interface that tells to tool that an annotation is to be documented. Annotations are not included by Java document commands. Use of the add documented annotation in the code enables the tools like Java document to process it and include the annotation type information in the generated document. Add target. It is designed to be used only an annotation to another annotation. And third one is a rentation. Annotation is determined where and how long the annotation is retained. The 3 values that the retention annotation can have. First one is source, class, and runtime. Source annotation will be retained at the source level and ignored by the compiler. Class annotation will be retained at the compile time and ignored by the JVM. And runtime, this will be the retained at the runtime. Add inherited annotation. is a marker annotation that makes to be used only on annotation declaration. It affects only the annotation that will be used on the class declaration. At inherited causes the annotation for a superclass to be inherited by a subclass. Therefore, when a requested for a specific annotation is made to the subclass, if that annotation is not present in the subclass, then its a superclass is checked. If that annotation is present in the superclass and if it is annotated with the add inherited, then that annotation will be returned. Thank you for watching the video.